Mocha Mousse Holiday Inspiration. The 2025 Pantone color of the year was warm, welcoming. Think chocolate, cocoa. How fabulous. With flowers, using that inspired palette, it's a wonderful way to do the holidays. The Mocha Mousse palette goes so well with copper. So using a copper candlestick and then a grande igloo, one glue strip. This will help secure it to make sure that it stays exactly where we want it. Onto the base and then down onto the cage. Then combining with flowers, fruit, because that's so on trend, using pears today. And when you work with fruit, it's best if you use your Oasis Floral adhesive. That way, as you place a skewer, and I just use shish kebab skewers, and you place it in the bottom, and I don't need a huge one, so I may cut that in half. Use the opposite side. And then to make sure that it locks into place, sealing that with just a little bit of that cold glue, the Oasis Floral adhesive, that will lock it, and it also seals the wound, so it will last so much more. I'm going to do the same thing on the other, and then we'll be ready for designing. As I begin, adding a bit of foliage. The beautiful evergreens fill in so beautifully. Giving it a cut, scarring it down a bit so it drinks well, and then letting it drape over. And then repeating that, bringing in more. A bit of cedar, a bit of pine. Pine gives you such beautiful fragrance, and it truly is the essence of Christmas here in the Pacific Northwest. Scraping it down, setting it in. Oh, the studio smells so wonderful. Mocha Mousse mixed with Christmas is amazing. Going up a little taller. Then I can go in and I add my pears. The tall one, placing it in, letting it set. The shorter one coming to the side to give it an extra little boost to make sure it's stable, using half a strip of view glue, setting it on the side. And pulling it up. And then setting the pear in so that it sits on that strip to give it just a little bit more security. Then going back and finish filling in with your foliage. When I work with my evergreens, I follow that same format of 3 foliages. If you've had basic floral design, you know that's Leanne's rule. So we have cedar and pine, but tucking in the large broad leaf of the Galix changes the dynamic. It helps to conceal your mechanics. It adds interest to the arrangement. Tucking it in, bringing it around, front to back. Then going on to the flowers. The rose symbol is a beautiful rose that picks up that Mocha Mousse vibe, cutting it very short. That way it will drink well, even with that minimal water reservoir. Tucking it in. And symbol is a rose that as it dries, still looks beautiful. So this can be a very long-lasting arrangement. Tucking in and pulling it around towards the back, keeping it all sided. Then chrysanthemums, so on trend, also following that Mocha Mousse palette. Adding it. It picks up the hue of the pears and pulling through to the opposite side. Continue placing flowers, radiating to that central binding point, until it's full and lush. With the base flowers, then you move on to the fun flowers, adding just a little bit for texture and contrast. Some hypericum, another perfect Mocha Mousse flower, setting it in, letting it come up, and repeating. The eyelash clematis, it's so graceful, and just taking bits of it to give some softness and extension. And then as you're working, turn it, look at it from all sides. Make sure that you filled in, front and back, side to side, and that everything flows well and adds that little bit of beauty for your Mocha Mousse table. We started with copper and then went to that Mocha Mousse color palette, different variations. Now we're going to circle back to copper again, adding a little bit of sparkle, picking up the essence of the season and just tucking them down in, and then repeating, spreading it around so that it sparkles from all sides. As you finish the arrangement, step back and take a look, and you'll see things that you wish were different. So like this, see how tall that is? It's sort of outside of the design. It's actually going to be better if I cut it down and put it in a bit lower so that it fits with the arrangement a little closer. Then you'll see something else that maybe you wish you had another stem. You can go back and add that, but it takes a moment to step aside and look to make that determination. Then the recipe. I started with 3 pears. That was the beginning of the design. Then I went to the symbol roses. I ended up using 5. The chrysanthemums, ended up using 5. Hypericum, 5 again. The eyelash, that I actually used 6 different stems so that I could get that lightness all the way around. Then foliages, a combination of pine, cedar, and Galix to give me my 3 foliages that I love. Our final Pantone color of the year for 2025, Mocha Mousse, done Christmas style. That warm, welcoming chocolate brown Mocha Mousse fits a palette of colors so well, and it's cozy and fabulous for the holidays. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. For this final weeks of the year, gather up Mocha Mousse, the inspired palette, and create a design. Take a picture and post it on social media. #Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.